Hello and welcome to our fourth grade math and science parent orientation. I will be walking you through some important information for math and science in fourth grade. If at any point during the school year you have any questions, please refer to this presentation. However, if there are more specific questions that you have about one of the content areas, please email your child's math and science teacher. The first thing we're going to look at is, where did the math curriculum come from? Well, our math curriculum was created by a team of outstanding math teachers right here at Eastside Elementary. They spent time going through, picking out the resources that were the most helpful and paced them out at a speed that will be good for your children to understand and keep up with what was going on. The curriculum is based on the standards and the benchmarks outlined in the college and career readiness standards for our state. What should you expect to see every week? Well, on each Monday, your child's teacher will send home a weekly newsletter. It will also be available on Canvas. Each day, look for your child's math notebook. It should contain vocabulary words, any notes taken in class, and practice problems for you to reference at home. When do the students take tests and quizzes? Well, the dates will vary on the quizzes, and you may also see those referred to as daily grades. Typically, within a unit, we give 1 to 2 daily grades. A test is given at the conclusion of each unit, and the test will include all of the topics that have been discussed during that unit. It's important to hold on to all of the notes and vocabulary in the binder until your child's teacher cleans it out with them, because those are things that you can use to help them study at home, and if they're having problems with something, they can reference those things as well. The duration of each unit will be different, and it depends upon the material being covered. So if you're ever wondering about when a daily grade or a test will be given, the exact date for it, you can always refer to the newsletter. What is the main thing that I should be working on right now with my child? Well, the first thing that we expect all fourth graders to know is their multiplication facts. We need them to know their 1s through 12, and that's something they'll need to be successful in fourth grade. Multiplication is the basis of everything that we're learning this year, so they will have to know those facts in order to scaffold upon that and continue to build to the things that we need to know for this year. At the beginning of the year, we use aplusmath.com to help them learn their basic facts. Then in October, we switch over to reflexmath.com, and this helps them to truly master those facts and see each fact as they get 100% mastery on it. Having them practice at home each day will make a world of difference as well, and only about 5 to 10 minutes, but that will really help them to improve with learning their facts. Switching gears just a little, we're going to look at the science curriculum. So what does science look like in fourth grade? A typical science unit will include the following things: vocabulary words, and you can look for flashcards whenever we start a new topic in their notebook. They will also have experiments, presentations, or activities related to the unit of study. Now, we won't always do all 3 of those, but we will usually have at least one of those things that is related to the topic that we're going over. Daily grades or quizzes are given on the material that is covered in each unit, and we have a test at the end of each unit. On the daily grades, the students will have to give the exact definition of the vocabulary words, and they will have to give exact measurement standards that they have learned. The test will require using the words in context and applying the measurement conversions to real-life situations. Hopefully this answered some of your questions and addressed some of your concerns about fourth grade math and science. If you have any other questions or need help with anything, please email your child's specific math and science teacher. Thank you, and as always, go Arrows!